The New Balance 1500 Vaporous Grey highlights the legacy of legendary designer Stephen Smith, often called the godfather of dad shoes. Before creating famous Adidas Yeezy models, Smith helped shape sneaker history during his time with New Balance in the late 1980s. One of his most respected designs is the 1500, a silhouette that remains a key part of the brand's Made in England collection. This upcoming release is produced at the Flimby factory in the United Kingdom, known for its premium craftsmanship. The shoe features a clean vaporous grey colorway built with breathable mesh, smooth leather, and soft suede for a refined look and feel. White branding keeps the design minimal, while subtle brown accents on the tongue and midsole add warmth and balance. The New Balance 1500 Vaporous Grey is expected to release in spring 2026 in men's sizing, with a premium retail price reflecting its quality and heritage.